Hello, my dear friends. In this lesson, we will learn the data type conversion method in Python, when and how to use it. So let's start. Now, in most programming languages, the conversion of data types to each other is very important. Sometimes we may need to perform conversions between the built-in types. So to convert between types, we simply use the type name as a function. Now, there are several built-in functions to perform conversion from one data type to another. These functions will return a new object representing the converted value. For example, we can use the float function to convert an integer to a float. Create a variable named a and let it be 25. And the result is 25.0. Also, we can use the int function to convert a decimal number to an integer. And the result is 25. And we can use string to convert a number to string, and all numbers or dots that make up the number will be converted to one character. So let's create a variable named number, and let it be 1235123. And the result, integer. Now create another variable named string, and now the result is string. You see that? So when we want to convert a string to an integer, we can use the int function. However, we really do have to be careful. When converting, we must make sure that each character of the string is a number. So here the string's type is string. Create a variable named number1 and now the result is integer. So when we want to convert a string to a decimal number, we can use the float function. However, again, we need to be careful. When performing the conversion, you got to make sure that the string conforms to the decimal number format. Check it out. String's type string, and create a variable named float, and now the result is float. And that's it. So in this lesson, we learned data type conversion, how to use it, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Until then, have a nice day.